through there, I reinforce the brakes, and I'm tied off to an anchor here because if I wasn't, they'd be already pulling me out through that gate, and I wouldn't want that. So as soon as we get salmon in there, we're gonna Jesus spark plug here. As soon as we get her hitched up, I'm gonna take off, but I'll give you a call on the radio from the other side to let you know how it's going.
Well, old salmon's ready to go, that's for sure. Now let's listen to what Dave says to start the team here. All right, there they go. We don't say mushroom Huskies like Sergeant Preston. The old French-Canadian trappers said marche. That's where the term mushing actually came from, but we say hiker all right. Now they're going to come behind the vet barn here from your right to your left on the outside of the dog yard. He's got both hands on the brakes trying to hold a little adrenaline back as they take off. And we'll see him on the far side of the water in just a second.